chocolate zucchini cake. I am cranking out the videos today, so I am not washing anything. Right there is my cutting glove. All right, chocolate cake mix, and my oil, and my milk. Now, because zucchini is super watery, I do slightly less milk. The recipe is in the description below. My eggs, and I do milk instead of water. You can use water if you want. Then, if you want, you don't have to, you can add chocolate chips. Now, I use the mini chocolate chips, and I only use about 1/3 of a bag because they're smaller. You get a chocolate chip in every bite. Just stir that in. We're gonna pour that in. I'm gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. Okay, here's my double chocolate zucchini cake. Oh, yum. Do we have Mike come and taste test a bite?
Oh, if I must.
Okay, here we go.
I can't believe you want me to eat chocolate. What?
I know.
Am I just gonna eat it like it's a sandwich?
Yep. You're just gonna go for
That's
it.
how you eat cake?
Yes.
Let him eat cake.
Let him eat cake. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. This is really delicious.
Yay!
Super moist and chocolatey. And I'll tell you what, I used to never want to eat it because I thought, ooh, it's gonna taste like zucchini. No, it doesn't taste like it at all.
It
It's
just
totally
adds
like,
moistness to it.
it's a totally moist chocolate cake.
Yum.